Ever wondered why most crypto portfolios stay stagnant while a few specific strategies consistently outperform the market? After years of navigating the Gemini ecosystem, I've realized that the best strategy isn't about chasing every new listing. It's about leveraging the specific institutional-grade tools this platform offers to create a high-conviction, low-friction engine for growth. My personal approach on Gemini starts with the 60-30-10 core satellite model. I keep 60% of my portfolio in the heavy hitters, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Since Gemini is a New York trust company with heavy regulation, I treat it as my digital vault. I don't just let these sit, I utilize Gemini staking for my ETH and SOL. In the current market, earning that 3 to 4% yield in kind is the easiest way to compound my position without constantly watching the charts. The next 30% goes into mid-cap projects with real-world utility, think Chainlink or Polygon. For these, I never use the instant buy feature on the mobile app. The convenience fee is a silent portfolio killer. Instead, I always switch to Gemini Active Trader. By using limit orders, I drop my fees from nearly 1.5% down to 0.4% or lower. That 1% difference might seem small, but over dozens of trades, it's the difference between a winning year and a losing one. The final 10% is my high upside bucket. This is where I look at the newer listings or more speculative assets. My rule here is simple: recurring buys. I set a daily or weekly small dollar amount to dollar cost average into these volatile assets. It removes the emotional urge to all in during a pump and ensures I'm building a position during the quiet accumulation phases. Finally, the most overlooked part of my strategy is the Gemini credit card. I use it for my daily expenses and set the rewards to Bitcoin. It's essentially a passive DCA strategy that funnels small amounts of BTC into my portfolio every time I buy groceries or gas. It turns my spending into a secondary investment stream. A successful Gemini strategy isn't just about what you buy, it's about using Active Trader to save on fees, staking to earn yield, and recurring buys to manage your emotions. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.